Ngiyazi sekuyisikhathi eside uloku uzama, trying to make your dreams become a reality in your life. Sekuneminyaka uloku uzama. You've been trying, kwasdlula iminyaka and you are still trying. But manje you feel like izinto azenzeki ngendlela ofuna ngazo. So mina I'm here to encourage you to keep going, keep working on that dream. Yabona? Keep working on that dream, even if it means getting a job and working somewhere ungathandi khona. As long as when you get paid, you invest that money back into your dreams. This life is not easy, bafowethu. Only the strong will survive. So wena, ngiyakwazi ukuthi u-strong. Usazophila, usazo-survive, but don't you dare quit on your dream. Don't you dare give up. Ilwa nempilo.